Have you ever noticed your refrigerator seems to be running constantly? Or perhaps it is not keeping your food as cold as it should be? Cleaning your refrigerator condenser coils is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your appliance's performance and efficiency. The condenser coils are essentially the heat exchangers of your refrigerator, designed to dissipate heat from the refrigerant into the surrounding air. When dust, pet hair, and other debris accumulate on these coils, they act like an insulating blanket, trapping the heat and forcing your refrigerator's compressor to work much harder to cool the interior. To begin, always ensure your refrigerator is completely unplugged from the wall outlet to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, locate the condenser coils, which are usually found either at the bottom front of the refrigerator behind a kickplate or on the back of the appliance. For coils at the bottom front, you will typically need to remove a small grill or kickplate, which might involve popping it off or unscrewing a few fasteners. Once the coils are accessible, use a specialized condenser coil brush, which is long and flexible, to gently dislodge any accumulated dust and debris from between the coils. After brushing, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to thoroughly suction away all the loosened dirt and grime from the coils and the surrounding area. Pay close attention to getting into all the crevices and ensure as much debris as possible is removed, as this directly impacts efficiency. Once clean, reattach any covers or kickplates you removed, and then you can safely plug your refrigerator back into the electrical outlet. Cleaning these coils every 6 to 12 months is a small effort that yields significant benefits, especially if you have pets. This simple, yet often overlooked, cleaning ritual is a powerful way to reduce your energy consumption, extend the life of your refrigerator, and ensure it continues to keep your groceries perfectly chilled, saving you money and preventing unexpected repair costs.